Hello and welcome to the video of the BMW 320 M Sport in silver. My name's Nakib. I'm just going to do you a quick walk around video of this vehicle. It's 2014, done just over 50,000 miles. Just had a recent service 2 miles ago. Full MOT, 360 days. As you can see, the car's in the lovely silver. It's got all the black trimmings, front YNC splitter, grille, 19-inch, genuine BMW shadow style alloys, unmarked. Side of the vehicle, side decals, side bars, privacy glass. Alloys really set the car off well. Coming to the back of the car, you've got the back diffuser, YNC, back spoiler, rear parking sensors. Driver's side, the whole car looks very, very tidy. Tyres are new. Coming to the front, the bonnet's very tidy, front bumper's tidy, got the odd sort of stone chip, nothing that stands out. Currently we have 140 BMWs in stock, all ready to go. This one is a very, very tidy example. Passenger seat, black Dakota leather, all very nice and tidy. Driver's seat looks good. Rear seat's in very good condition. No marks on the back kick plates. Got a nice big boot area there. Kit coming inside the vehicle, we've got the multifunction steering wheel, folding mirror option, which is always very handy. Kit car's got the heated seats, sat nav, Bluetooth media, DAB. It's got a very nice sort of fresh smell inside, no odours. Okay, the vehicle is ready to drive away. Hope you find this video helpful and thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.